Hey guys, I'm back with the next chapter, traditional marketing and digital marketing. Lot of marketers would love to know what exactly is that what differentiator that keeps the both different marketing in two different boxes. Why these things are two different world. Trust me people, when it comes to differentiation between traditional marketing and digital marketing, the concept of marketing remains the same. Only few aspects only change, and these are the bigger aspects that creates bigger difference. So let us understand traditional marketing versus digital marketing. Now see, traditional marketing is everywhere. Today we are going to become a digital marketing expert with AADME. So you need to understand how exactly a digital marketing knowledge or skill can keep you above a traditional marketer. If you look at this screen, you see, let us assume that you have a product. Let's say if you have a product, and you market this product. Okay, there are two different ways how can you traditionally what we used to do. We used to hire a telecaller, give them a list of database, a list of contact details, and we used to ask them to qualify the prospects, start pitching on a call itself. It used to be a very, very hectic process. That means if you call 1000 contacts, out of that, one or two people will be ready to actually start showing interest about your product. So the conversion is very low, and it's very, very hectic. You need to pay for the expert telecallers, you need to hire an experienced telecaller, you need to hire telecalling equipments, and trust me, the conversion is not guaranteed. All it depends the quality of contact details you have, whether the phone numbers are actually updated or not. The second, the most viewed TV commercials are hell costly. Yeah. Let's say, for example, if I'm talking like a country like India, where I'm brought up, you need to understand just to put a 15 seconds ad on a prime time, the millions of dollars of rupees you have to pay. You have to pay crores of rupees or millions of dollars you have to pay just to put a 15 seconds of TV commercial in a prime time on a prime time show. Then comes newspaper. Again, we all know that newspapers, just after Corona COVID, the popularity of newspaper is not that much because people right now they prefer social distancing. So right now, due to the spread of this freaking virus, the demand of newspaper have also come down, right? And newspaper ads are also not reasonable. Now you see on the bottom left corner, this is a billboard. Most of the cities across the world, billboards are right now replaced because they use a plastic material which is not environmental friendly. So it is the reason billboards are right now the matter of past. But still, when it comes to billboard, you need to understand billboard is something that will not grab your attention for a very long period of time. So right now, a lot of countries, lot of territories are coming up with innovative 3D billboards. Okay, which is kind of creating some difference, but again, these are very, very, very expensive. Then last, you see, these are another example of traditional marketing. You go and participate in a trade show. What exactly happens in the trade show? In trade shows, you try to grab the attention of the crowd that is gathered by the trade show event organizer. That means here you are literally paying money to the event organizer to own a booth or to get an entry ticket, to meet strangers, those who have not shown any interest, those who have not shown any desire towards your solution, and you try to kind of meet stranger, do that friendship, build that relationship, and eventually hope that it will convert into a sale. So you see, traditional marketing is nothing but using these platforms, and these platforms are the matter of past. Okay, so on the right hand side, you can see these are the platforms which we say are digital platforms. Like Google, you write a blog, you go onto the top of Google search engine result page, and you are on the top. Let's say, for example, Google. If you come to Google, and if you write digital marketing, let's say digital marketing for doctors in India. So you see, the moment you type, you see people are running ads, and you see I have written a blog on Google. So the people, those who want to learn how to do digital marketing for clinics, doctors, they will be reading this article. So you see Google. So Google is an innovative way how you can grab people attention. Then comes social media, creating your social media YouTube channel, creating your Facebook page. The way you are seeing on this channel, we have more than near to 80,000 followers and subscribers on YouTube, learning digital marketing absolutely for free, learning how to build a freelance career, learning how to build their agency, how to build a lead generation engine absolutely free on YouTube. You create your LinkedIn profile, TikTok, create some WhatsApp automation messages, Snapchat. So these are the platforms where your customer's attention is right now. And technically, you can create your visibility absolutely free here. Then comes email. Email, again, you get a chance to directly pop into the device wherever, no matter where your customers are, no matter which part of the world, you directly go into the hand, inside the hand of your prospect. Then comes, your website is the center stage of everything. If you are not having a website, then how come you are going to be on Google, right? So your website creates that impression. It creates that identity of your business or your product. People will come to know more about your products and services. They will learn more about your customers, about your process. They will learn more about how are you going to deliver the product and service on your website. Then you see, and few more automation platform. As you see today, we can automation chat, and we can technically replace physical sales staff members. We can automate, complete copywriting using chat GPT softwares. We can completely create AI avatar, deep fakes to create fake influencers to promote your products and services, right? Who knows that this particular avatar that you are seeing, who is teaching you right now, can be a deep fake of Alok Bhartiya, right? So we can create AI avatars. We can completely automate your chat system. We can completely automate your messaging system. We can automate your follow-up system. So automation softwares. So these are some of the platforms that is facilitating the digital marketing space. And trust me, these are the things that is empowering digital marketing right now. This has completely empowered digital marketing forever. So for that, if you want to know what exactly is digital marketing, then we can say digital marketing is an umbrella term for marketing of products and services using digital technologies, mainly on the internet. Now let us quickly go to the slide and understand what are the major differences between traditional marketing and digital marketing. Traditional marketing interrupts your customers. That means all of a sudden you are watching a FIFA World Cup match, and all of a sudden, a TV commercial comes in. It will break your mood. It will actually, irritate you because it is interrupting. You are watching your favorite movie, and all of a sudden, an ad will pop up on the TV. It will completely, ruin your mood of watching that movie. Let's say, for example, you are just strolling out, you are going out with your family, you are roaming in a park. All of a sudden, a guy jumps in and tries to present a product or service or a solution by handing you over a flyer or a template. They're interrupting. Most of the time it's interrupting. But digital marketing educates you. That means, let us say you have a problem. That means, let's say you want to buy a home. So want to know what are the different ways, what are the different method to own a home in America. So what are the mortgage facilities, how you can avail a loan, which are the best place to invest. So your buying journey begins with grabbing education. So for that, you go to Google or YouTube and you start researching about the content. Digital marketing will facilitate those content providers to educate you first before they actually go ahead and start pitching the product. So it helps a lot to educate your prospects in an automated way, right? Plus low attention span. Traditional marketing is low attention. That means, for example, if somebody hands over a flyer, immediately grab the flyer for the sake of interest of that person. Immediately you will trash it. Let's say, for example, you are traveling from your home to your office and you are in a hurry. There is a traffic signal, and you halted there and you saw a hoarding. When you saw a hoarding, the hoarding is actually promoting a jewelry brand with some limited edition jewelry. You know that your anniversary is coming up, but will you be in that particular point of time noting down the number or logging into their website to get that deal or discount? Or will you be in a position where you are completely worried when that signal will turn green and you can rush to your office, right? So this is, it's also interrupting, and you will immediately forget about that particular deal the moment you reach your office, right? So it creates a very limited attention span. But in digital marketing, it increased attention span you get, educates the clients to come back again. That means this is called as retargeting. It gives you a retargeting and recall marketing facility. That means, let's say if you visited Amazon to browse a product, the moment you visit Amazon and you start browsing a product, and let's say, for example, at that particular point of time, you are not interested to buy that product, or you want to buy it later on, you just want to add it to the cart or add it to the wish list, or you just want to browse the product, you will see that product images, that product deals, that product offers will start chasing you on social media wherever you are going. The moment you visit AADME page, www.aadme.co, the moment you visit, AADME, you will see all the success stories, all the case studies, all the training pictures will start chasing on social media wherever you are going. So this creates a recall value. You need to understand, unless and until your prospect doesn't see you or stumble upon your brand or your content 7 to 32 times, the prospect is not going to buy from. The more you show up, the more trust you build. You need to understand, great marketers show up. And with digital marketing, you can completely keep on educating, showing up, and you increase the attention span of your prospect by creating a strong recall value. Of course, traditional marketing is hell expensive, highly expensive. It's very difficult. Just to put a hoarding on a popular mall or a popular square, it will charge millions of dollars. Plus, digital marketing is affordable and cost effective. Affordable, that means you can start your Facebook ads with as low as $15, $20 as an investment per day. It is 75, 80 rupees in Indian INR per day. It is so affordable. Plus, it is cost effective. No matter if you want to scale your ad, you might invest $1 billion or you might invest $10 or $30 or $50. The amount of money that you put in, the platforms like Google or social media will give you a very clear-cut report in form of readable dashboards that what exactly is the return from each of the platform. Let's say you put in $100 on Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. At the end of the day, you will figure out that which is that one platform that gave you the maximum visitors in low cost, so that you can divert all the funds from different platform to that particular platform that has proved the maximum ROI. Plus, in different platforms, you put your message with different type of offers. Which offer is yielding the maximum result, maximum business, maximum sales? So all these things can be read through analytics. Analytics is a very important topic, business analytics, that we are going to cover in the later chapters. ROI can't be measured. Never. ROI cannot be measured. Let's say, for example, if you have an agency in your city and there is a walk-in, one person came into your shop, right? Now, so as to attract customers to your shop, you have put TV commercials, you have newspaper ads, you have flyers, okay, you have run radio commercials. There are a lot of things. Okay, there are a lot of things. Now, the point here you need to understand, the moment the prospect comes to your shop or your agency or your office or your desk, you cannot figure out that whether the customer has heard about your brand on radio, then came to his office, also saw your ad on, on TV, then also heard talking about your brand in a marketplace. Then he thought that yes, everywhere that brand is popping up, let's go and visit that office. You just cannot ensure the exact buying journey, right? You just don't know that which particular spot, is it the TV or the radio, gave the maximum impact on the subconscious mind of people that propelled him to go and buy the product. We cannot measure anything. But in digital marketing, everything is measured and ROI is guaranteed because you can test things here. We can test. Let's say you put in 100 rupees on an offer and you gave you return of 120 rupees. You put in $1,000 on an ad and you return $1,500 in return. Then you can very well understand what nature of content is working out. You can also measure, like $1,000 gave you how many number of clicks. You can track the cost per click. How many number of clicks actually converted into your website visits. You can also understand the click to visit conversion rate. What is the cost per one website visits? You can track that just with readable dashboards, with readable analytic reports, right? Out of how many number of website in general will convert into a sale. So you can track, analyze the complete historic data and predict certain sales and revenue for future. So this sort of facility is available in digital marketing, and that too in just one click. Then comes, you can only sell to local customer if you're a traditional marketer. That means if you are having a shop or showroom, let's say selling apparels, you can only sell in that particular proximity area, right? You cannot go and make sure that people from different city, different region know about your product and brand. But right now, when you are into digital marketing, okay, you can sell to customers globally. Like Amazon, okay, they are selling products across the globe. They're fulfilling across the globe. Today, AADME is an advanced digital marketing and business leadership program. We have students from across the globe. We are planet's #1 online digital marketing coaching service providers. And the best consulting we give to freelancers, agency owners, traditional business owners to propel their business. If you are somebody who is an individual, want to start your career, no matter which world you are watching this video, we are there for you for rest of the life. So you can sell your customers globally if you are online, right? So these are the important differentiations. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next chapter, which is really going to be more amazing. Hey, the good news is AADME is proud that it has launched its Asia's #1 AI-enabled advanced digital marketing and business leadership program. It's the only program under the sun that provides an holistic approach to the business. That means you learn the entire marketing system from scratch to advanced. You learn to build the entire sales system from scratch to the advanced level. You also learn how to deliver and fulfill a digital marketing project as well. That means we are a 360-degree learning platform. Why AADME? If you just listen the benefits, you will just get amazed. Number one, it's due to our track record. 15 years experience in the industry. And recently we have been awarded as the most trusted digital marketing learning platform 2023. We have helped hundreds of students to achieve their professional success and achieve their business goals in the shortest time humanly possible. More than 5,000 success stories already created. It's a live class program and absolutely in an interactive way. That means you can interact with the trainer, with me directly one-to-one, no matter what doubt you have around your business, around operation, around tools, around your future ideas. No matter, you can directly interact with me directly in a live interactive session with unlimited doubt clearing, support, lifetime mentorship. That means after the completion of the program, that is 4.5 months of live classes, after 4.5 months also, every weekend we will handhold you, we will guide you with the most advanced and real-time upgraded topics. That means one-time admission and lifetime learning. That means you take an admission one time and upgrade yourself for rest of the life. 2 months of paid internship. If you are a job seeker, then this is a gem. 2 months of paid internship will get paid while learning, while working with our ongoing live projects. It's completely an agency-based program. That means we'll get a chance to work with our team leaders and project managers. Largest learning management system with all live classes, scripts, SOPs, PowerPoint, mind masters, all recorded lectures on one platform in an auto upgradable way. That means anything in the future that upgrades in terms of tools, technologies or consumer behavior will give you the new absolute fresh lecture, no matter whether you are an alumni or you are in any ongoing batch. Unlimited doubt clearing support. That means even after the completion of the program, if you want to upgrade your career from manager, you want to upgrade yourself to a senior manager, if you want to upgrade your business, we are there to help you no matter what. If it is tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next year or after 3 to 4 years, right? It's absolutely curated and customized for job seekers, job aspirants and also freelancers, agency owners and business owners. So what are you still waiting for? Click on the link somewhere around the video in the description or somewhere in the bio and book a call with our student success manager. We only train very limited students to ensure quality because the next batch is starting soon. All the best. See you in the live class.